Hey, Mark Rice here, and I have this beautiful head, but I miss a body. So let's draw it in less than 2 minutes. Okay, first go to the toolbar and pick up rounded rectangle tool. Draw it and hit M keyboard button for the rectangle shape. Paint it in black. Select the shapes and hit the white in Pathfinder. Click with the right mouse button and select the ungroup. Select unnecessary part and press the delete keyboard button. Hit M again and draw the leg. Copy the leg with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+F command and move it here. Cool! Now I will copy the lower part of the body. Move it here, paint it yellow, hold shift and rotate it. Bring to front and move it here. Copy it and I got the shoes. Now I will draw arm. Select rounded rectangle tool and start drawing. Copy the shape with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+F, hold shift and rotate it by 45 degrees. I will use the skin color for the new form. Now hit L keyboard button for ellipse tool and draw a circle. I will copy it and paint with darker skin color. It will be the thumb. Send to back and group this part of the head with Ctrl+G command. Select all parts of the arm, hold shift, rotate it and change size a bit. I will copy the arm and rotate it by vertical for the second arm. Okay, I will draw a neck and we are done. Hit M and draw a rectangle. I will copy it and use for the other part of the neck. Change the size and move it here. The body is finished. In the end, I will move the head where it belongs. Okay, if you liked the tutorial, drop a comment below. Tell me what you would like to see in the future and I will draw it for you. And stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Peace!